Do you sometimes get confused about some English words that are really similar? Well, I've had a special request from an English learning friend, and this is dedicated to him and to all those English learners who I can help. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can understand the differences and how and when to use three of the most commonly confused words: accept, accept, and expect. Are you ready to improve your English speaking better and faster than you ever thought possible? Great, let's go. Welcome to my channel where you will learn English better, and welcome aboard Palm Tree Teaching English Academy. I'm Deirdre Nicholas, and for over 20 years I've helped thousands of English learners all over the world improve their English, and now it's your turn. For the very best English language lessons and a new way of learning English that really works, subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button and the bell so you don't miss any of my twice-weekly lessons. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use and fully understand the differences between those three confusing words: accept, accept, and expect. They sound very similar, but they have very different meanings. And you'll know when to use them, how to use them, and we will practice them together. Now, we will look at what these words mean, how each of these words are formed, and how we can use them. So, number one, let's start with accept. Accept is used in two ways: as a preposition and as a conjunction. So let's look at the first way, accept as a preposition. And it means exclude, or not including, or leaving out. It's sometimes found with for, so you find except for. Now here's a tip for you to remember this. Accept has an X in it, and so does its meaning exclude. And another way to remember is that X is wrong, and therefore exclude. It's a good way of remembering the difference. So accept and except for are usually followed by a noun or a noun phrase. So here's some example sentences using accept as a preposition, so meaning excluding. 1. All shirts can be worn except for t-shirts. So this means that all shirts can be worn excluding t-shirts. 2. They work every day except Sunday. So that means they work every day but not including or excluding Sunday. And the third one, we were all here except for Tom. So we were all here excluding Tom or not including Tom. The second way is as a conjunction. So a word that joins two parts of a sentence. And here it basically means but. So here's some examples. I would buy a beautiful house except I don't have any money. So I would buy a beautiful house, but I don't have any money. Second example, she wanted to be a model, except she was too short. So she wanted to be a model, but she was too short. So really, except as a conjunction basically means but. Now the next word, accept. Accept is a verb with different meanings. I'm going to talk about the two most important meanings. The first one is to agree or to receive something or to give a yes, a positive response to an offer. So for example, he accepted my pen as a gift. This means he agreed to receive the pen, so a positive response. Another example, she accepted the job offer of marketing executive. So she said yes to the job offer of marketing executive. Now the second way of using it is to believe that something is true. So for example, I accept that you forgot your homework. So I do believe that you forgot your homework. And another example, the manager accepted his reason for being late for work. So the manager believed his reason for being late for work. So it's quite a different meaning from accept. And the third confusing word is expect. Now this is quite different actually. It's a verb and it means something is likely to happen. So let me give you an example. We are expecting a storm tonight. So we think that there will be a storm. We think it is likely to happen. It could be that someone is likely to be or do something as well. So they were not expecting him to arrive so soon, meaning it was not something that we thought would happen. So let's summarize together, shall we? Except is used to say excluding, not including, and as a conjunction in the middle of a sentence, it means but. Accept is a verb, and it's used to say yes, to receive something, or used to say that you believe something is true. And expect is also a verb, but it means something is likely to happen. So I hope you've really enjoyed this video. If you have, I would love to hear from you, so don't forget to put comments in the section below this video. And don't forget, I post 2 lessons a week, once on a Tuesday and once on a Friday, to help you learn your English and your English pronunciation. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my lessons. Enjoy your English, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!